Hey YC, I'm coming on here to do a quick haul video. This video is from Dollar Tree. So I'm recording on my tablet. Loyal has my phone. So yeah. Wanted to come on here and show y'all what I got. I'm actually holding my tablet with one hand, so I only got one hand to get things out the bag. It's just a small haul. But wanted to come on here and show y'all what I got. So I picked up this children's allergy relief because my babies have been dealing with, seasonal allergies like crazy, and it is okay to give them a small dosage of Benadryl with their everyday Zyrtec. So yeah. Also, I grabbed some melatonin. Melatonin is definitely a natural way to help as far as sleeping wise. I give that to Lavinia to help her sleep at night. And it's good for adults as well. But I also picked up the Dawn Platinum Special Value Dish Liquid, and this is in Refreshing Rain Scent. So grab that. I also wanted to try a new body wash because the last body wash I got from Dollar Tree, and if I'm looking down, it's because I'm trying to get used to this and stare at my camera this out. But yeah, bear with me. But the last body wash I got from Dollar Tree was not too good. I didn't like it too good. But this one is the Soft Whisper by Power Stick, and this is the macadamia oil and peony essentials body wash right there. They compare it to Bath and Body Works, so definitely said I was going to try this out, and it is a hydrating body wash. So that's what that looks like. The next thing I got is this Dawn Gentle Clean Special Value Pomegranate Splash Scent Dishwashing Liquid. So grab that. I picked up this adorable pillow, y'all. They have these pillows now in different colors at Dollar Tree. And I picked this one up for Lavinia because she loves these types of pillows. So grab that for her. I picked up this. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this together so I can't break this. I picked up this 8x10 picture frame. And last time, if y'all saw my last haul, I did haul some photo paper. So I'm going to put some recent photos that I did of the babies. I'm going to put on photo paper and print it out my printer and put it in that frame. Then I grabbed this kind of like spring-like tablecloth. It has like hot dogs, watermelon, ice cream cones. Very, very cute. I grabbed these to use as backgrounds in my baby's pictures. We used to always go to Portrait Innovations to do our family pictures, but now, being that Babe got me a professional camera, I just do them in my back room, in my YouTube room instead, and I use these as backgrounds. So it saves me a lot of money. Also, I grabbed this Easy Peel lint roller. Definitely need these in the house just in case. I grabbed a box of Skittles. I grabbed this spiral. I actually just got this for the red tail comb. Lavinia needed a red tail comb to scratch her scalp because I already have one. But she needed one, so just grab this basically for the red tail comb. I also grabbed a pack of pencils. Can never have enough of those. I grabbed me some more vitamin D. I grabbed some more vitamin C. I take those every day, and I definitely notice a difference with taking them. I saw these new at my local Dollar Tree as well. These are the Tropical Sunrise Push and Spray Dispensers. I thought these was so neat, y'all. I saw these hanging on the end shelf, and I'm glad I did. Be careful, son. Okay. And I'm glad I did. But they look like this. Like, this is how you use them. So, yeah. No, that's not bubbles. It's a pillow for Happy Heiner. He calls Lavinia Happy Heiner. But I also grabbed this one too in crisp linen. And I think they just stick on the walls. You can just stick them on the walls. So yeah, I thought those was neat, y'all. Then I grabbed Lavinia some eyeglass clean cloths for her glasses. These were 2 for $1. And you got an orange one and a pink one. So I grabbed that for her eyeglasses that she just got. I saw these, y'all. And I'll let y'all know in my community tab how I like these. These are the Biggs Taco Bell Supreme Sunflower Seeds. So, I'm going to try them and let y'all know about those. Ring Pops, got 2 bags of those. Kit Kats, got 1 bag of those. Then, I grabbed paper plates. Could never have enough of them in the house, especially with our big family. Then, I grabbed 2 boxes of the dryer sheets. They smell good. These are the Breezy brand, and they are in the Sun Sky Fresh scent. So, yeah. And then I grabbed a temporary thing of toilet paper. This was new at my Dollar Tree as well. I've never seen this before, that brand. So, yeah, grab that. So, that is everything that I got at my local Dollar Tree. Hope you loves enjoyed this video. Hope you love the quality of this video. And, yeah, I will see you babes in the next one.